Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. Korean inspired makeup tutorial. If you love that soft, glowy Korean makeup look that makes your face look fresh and lifted, you are in the right place. Today, we're going for something simple, clean, and low-key snatched, but in the most subtle way. Blurred base, light definition, and that effortless pretty without trying vibe. If that sounds like your kind of look, stick around, I'm going to walk you through every step. Let's get started. Start by patting in the foundation. No swiping, just bounce it in with a sponge for that smooth, flawless base. Trust me, it's the key to making your skin look like skin, just better. Then layer a bit of powder on the high points. Pour a little into the cap, pick it up with a brush, and gently tap it on. It's gonna give you that clean, blurred, matte but fresh finish. For brows, stick to the natural shape and brush through with a tinted brow gel. Keep it simple, just enough to define and fluff without going overboard. On the eyes, sweep a neutral shade all over the lids. One and done works, or build it up for extra depth. Deepen the outer corners slightly, then grab a gel liner and sketch out a soft, effortless wing. Nothing too sharp, just a cute little flick. Lashes make a huge difference. Pop on a pair of falsies, 𝙆𝙤𝙧𝙚𝙖 ones are chef's kiss. Press them in gently to lift, then add mascara to blend. Don't forget the lower lashes, curl and coat for that wide-eyed, dolly look. Use a darker shadow to smudge out your liner just a little, and drag it down to define the lower lash line and 𝙆𝙤𝙧𝙚𝙪𝙥. Add a touch of cream liner to the lower lash line for that subtle pop. It instantly makes the eyes look brighter and more awake. Now it's time to sculpt. Use a light contour shade, something just a few tones deeper than the skin, and apply it under the cheekbones, along the jawline, and a bit on the sides of the nose for that soft definition. For blush, choose a shade that complements the skin tone and press it right above the contour, blending up toward the temples. Add a little highlights on the tear duct and on the tip of the nose, then finish with the go-to lip color, whatever color feels right with the look. And just like that, the face is lifted, sculpted, glowing in all the right places, and ready for the day or the selfies.